Valorant shows a different error code every launch. A broken Vanguard, a bad network, or a missing Windows security setting. These 12 fixes go from easiest to most advanced.
Before anything, check status, riotgames.com. If Riot shows an outage, wait. Then write down your exact error code. Restart the Riot Client, then your PC. Sync your clock and run the Riot Client as an administrator.
Fix 1. Open Services to MSC. Find VGC, the Vanguard Anti-Cheat Service. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Start, then Apply and OK. Restart your PC. Fix 2. Repair the game. In the Riot Client, click your profile icon, open Settings, select Valorant, and hit Repair. Wait for it to finish, then press Play. Fix 3. Reset the network. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run ipconfig/flush DNS, then netsh winsock reset. Power cycle your router, then restart your PC. Fix 4. Prefer Ethernet over Wi-Fi. Set a public DNS like 1111, disable IPv6, turn off any proxy, and make sure the Riot Client is allowed through your firewall.
Fix 5. Clear the cache. Open %local app data, delete the Valorant and Riot Games folders, and rename the private settings file. Everything rebuilds on launch.
Fix 6, and the most common fix. Reinstall Vanguard. Uninstall it from installed apps. Restart. Let the Riot Client reinstall it, then restart again.
Fix 7. If you see VAN 9001 or 9003, enable Secure Boot and TPM 2.0. Check with MS Info 32. Then in BIOS set UEFI mode. Disable CSM and turn on Secure Boot and your TPM. If your disk is MBR, convert it to GPT first.
Fix 8. For VAN 9002, turn on Control Flow Guard and Windows Security. Exploit protection. For VAN 9005, make sure memory integrity is on.
Fix 9. Do a clean boot. In msconfig, hide Microsoft services and disable everything else. Then disable startup items. Restart. If the game works, re-enable things one by one. Then run a full malware scan.
Fix 10. Update Windows, your GPU drivers, and your BIOS. Uninstall software that fights Vanguard, VPNs, boosters, RGB tools, virtual machines. Then run sfc/scanow and DISM.
Fix 11. For Val 4 or Val 51, change your Riot ID on account. riotgames.com and save. Remember, you can only change it every 90 days.
Fix 12, the last resort. A full, clean reinstall. Uninstall Vanguard, Valorant, and the Riot Client in that order. Delete the leftover folders and reinstall from playvalorant.com. Restart and launch.
Why does the code keep changing? Your launch goes through 4 stages. The client, Vanguard, the game, and the servers. One broken piece fails at a different stage every boot, so the code looks random. Find the piece, and the randomness disappears.
Start with these 3. Check the server status, start the VGC service, and reinstall Vanguard. Subscribe for more fixes. See you in the next one.